I don't know what any buildings are around here.
get back into my routine since traveling, and it's been like 2 weeks now. I feel like I'm just now getting into it. I don't have a lot to do today, thankfully. Work has been pretty fucking busy, but of course I have it handled. I wash my face in the shower, so I don't have to worry about that, but I have to moisturize, so let's do that super quick. Opened this bottle of niacinamide serum by Good Molecules, and I've been loving it. Not that I thought I wasn't going to, but I have been using the La Roche-Posay one. I do really like this one though, and it's like $10 cheaper, I'm pretty sure. To make some food because I am getting kind of hungry, so let's go to the kitchen. It's been some time since I last saw you, but the sky just cleared out completely and it's gonna be in the high 80s today, so I thought we have a cute little beach day since it's still like 10. I made a nice coffee. I'm just gonna finish sipping this. I'm gonna garden and then we'll go to the beach. I think this is officially the last beach day that I'm gonna be able to have this summer, so guys, I'm gonna try to tan as much as I can.
어지러워
go to Trader Joe's to pick up some lunch things. We're on our walk. I'll decide if I want to sub by Trader Joe's or not. This is Scully. I got him last year for Halloween, and he said that he wanted to sit next to me because you guys have been acting a little weird. So yeah, I just wanted to protect and just watch over. He's a little bit controlling, so he doesn't like when people look at me too long. I'm like describing the worst kind of man in the world. I love him. He is so fucking cute. And I forgot that I had him until I unpacked all my fall decoration last week. This has to go on my bed, obviously. Cheers, queers. You want some? Oh, whoa. Okay, take it easy. Damn, girl.
I don't know what any buildings are around here. Like, I think it's just like a bunch of office buildings.
These are delicious. Fighting for my fucking life to not take a nap right now. I'm not going to. I'm gonna try to be productive, so I'm gonna put some laundry in the washer quick. Laundry's officially in. I wanna get high. So let's go garden.
So I think today, I don't think Brie has a side that's valid or needs to be heard. I think she's a no integrity bitch.
I'm at a cozy little nook over here. So I've just been watching this fucking show. What is it? Selling Sunset. For some reason, Netflix on my TV is just slower, so I just watch it on my laptop and it makes it a lot easier.